In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your files are showing as icons instead of thumbnails. So if you've opened up your File Explorer and all of your files inside of here are showing as icons, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to solve this issue. Now, the first step is you just want to open up the folder that you're having issues with, so you can see all of my files located here. And all we simply need to do is click on View in the top navigation and make sure you have one of these icons options selected, so you can select either extra large icons, medium or small icons. And if you select any of these options, that should go ahead and show you the thumbnails. Now, if for some reason this doesn't work for you, then what you'll need to do instead is click on the three horizontal dots, click on Options, and this will pop up with the folder options. Now from here, click on the View tab, and right at the top, you need to make sure this option, Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails, is deselected and unchecked, and then go and press Apply and OK. Now once you've done that, you should now be able to see all of the thumbnails for your different files, and it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.